Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps, and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch your toes. And now, let's go back up. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes. And now, let's stand up. Let's have a shake. Arms and legs, let's shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Very good, guys. Now we'll do some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent. And now we'll take our right hand and we'll touch our left foot. And then left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. And final pair, guys. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent, well done. And to finish, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, guys. Have a seat. And in the previous lesson, we began to learn how to present data using a specific type of graph. Does anybody remember what? Yes, data. And what do we call it when we present data using pictures? Anybody remember, guys? Pictogram. Pictogram. Excellent. So let's spell that word together. Pictogram. P-I-C-T-O-G-R-A-M. Pictogram. altogether pictogram. But sometimes you might hear it referred to as pictograph. Okay, so I'll write pictograph too. P-I-C-T-O-G-R-A-P-H. Pictograph. So pictogram and pictograph mean the same thing. If you hear pictograph or pictogram, it's an analyze and presentation of data using pictures. And what we're going to do now in our class is we're going to show how we can present some data using pictures. So first of all, we need a topic. And I think a good topic for us to use in class, guys, will be favorite food. Okay? So let's write the topic of our pictograph. Favorite, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Favorite. And how do we spell food? F-O-O-D. Excellent. Favorite foods. So what we need now is we need some choices so that we can begin to decide and present our data. So let's see. I think one type of food that we can eat, especially in Thailand, noodles. So we will write noodles, N-O-O-D-L-E-S. Noodles. Okay, now can somebody else give me another type of food? Steak. Steak or sticky rice? Sticky rice is nice, but we can eat that with other types. How about the main meal? We have noodles. How about fish? Fish. F-I-S-H. So we have noodles, fish, and chicken. Okay, we'll use chicken. How do we spell chicken, guys? C-H-I-C-K-E-N. So now we have our three choices. We have noodles, fish, chicken. And what we're going to do is we're going to design our own pictogram or pictograph based upon what we like the most. We're going to ask our students to come forward and draw. What we're going to do, guys, for our key is we're going to draw a smiley face, okay? The food that you like the most, draw a smiley face. So our key is one person per smiley face. And to demonstrate, I will go first. So let me see, out of our three choices, noodles, fish, chicken. I like noodles the most. Noodles is my favorite food. So I will draw a smiley face here. So that's one vote for noodles. And now I will present the marker to Lak Gao. Lak Gao, can you come and give your vote to the favorite food on the board? And remember, we're drawing a smiley face each time. Fish or chicken? Excellent. Lak Gao has gone for noodles too. Perfect, Lak Gao. So how many votes for noodles so far? Two. Lak Gao, that's excellent. Well done. And now I would like to invite Prel to come forward and give her vote. So each person represents a smiley face. You're welcome, Prel. Wow, another vote for noodles. Very good. How many smiley faces do we have for noodles?
3.
So how many votes does that mean? 3, because one smiley face is one person. Prel, excellent. High five for Prel. And next, it's Pangpon's turn. Come and join me at the front, Pangpon. Pangpon will give his vote for his favourite food. And we have noodles, fish, or chicken. What's your favourite? You can draw your smiley face. Excellent. So Pangpon's gone for something different. What's Pangpon voted for? Chicken. Excellent. Well done. We've got a new one on the board. So now it's the turn of Dan. Dan, come and give your vote. Here's your pen. Can you cast your vote for your favourite food? Wow. Okay, so chicken's catching up. And very nice smiley face too. Okay, so Dan has given her vote. So far, how many votes for noodles? 3. How many votes for fish?
2.
For fish?
1.
0. No votes for fish yet. How many votes for chicken?
2.
2. Because we know the key, 1 smiley face, 1 person. So we're keeping it simple. Dan, that was excellent. High five. Annette, can you come forward and cast your vote, please? Don't worry, lad, gal, we'll be clapping soon, but we won't clap after everyone. Net, what's your favourite food? Noodles, fish, or chicken? But you can choose only one, okay? Okay. Oh, wait, Net's gone for a new one. Net's gone for fish. And is that smiling? Okay, that's better. Net looked quite mean. It wasn't a smiley face. That's better. So that's excellent, Net. You've also gone for a new category. High five. Okay, and now it's the turn of Pak Bung. And don't forget, try to make it a smiley face. So, we've got noodles, fish, and chicken to choose from. What's your favourite food? Wow, okay, so chicken again. So far, how many for noodles?
3.
How many for fish?
1.
How many for chicken?
3.
So noodles and chicken are level at the moment. Let's see the next students. Pak Bung, that was brilliant. High five. And now it's the turn of Pat. Okay, so let's see what Pat decides. We're down to our last few students now. So Pat, what's your favourite food? Okay, well, can you draw your smiley face? That's the one, that's chicken. Okay, 1 smiley face means 1 vote. Perfect, that's excellent, Pat. So now, chicken is in the lead. Pat, high five. Very good. And Nadia, come and join me. Let's see what Nadia's favourite food is. Okay, smiley face for your favourite food, Nadia. Oh, noodles. Okay. What's this? What's this? Where's the... Let's see, let's try help Nadia. There you go. Okay. How about we have some eyes, okay? So far, how many for noodles? 4. How many for fish? And how many for chicken? 4. Nadia, that was excellent. So guys, noodles and chicken are level. We have 1 more student. So Chu, come and join me. Chu, you could be the one who decides who wins, unless he chooses fish. So let's see. Chu, what's your favourite food? Oh, he's gone for chicken. Now let's see Chu's smiley face. Excellent, that's a great smiley face. So, what did Chu vote for? Chicken. So which one has the most votes now? How many does chicken have? 5. How many does noodles have? 4. How many does fish have? 1. Which one wins? Chicken. So our favorite food in the classroom is chicken. 2, that was excellent. High five. And now, guys, let's have a big round of applause for everybody doing a good job. That was a brief recap of the previous lesson when we learned how to present data using pictures in a pictogram or pictograph. You'll notice no numbers, no letters, only pictures that tell us the data we want to know. How many noodles, guys? 4. How many fish? 1. And how many chicken? 5. So you see, using pictures, we can present data too. And that was excellent, guys, so really well done. What we're going to do now is we're going to look at a video and PowerPoint presentation so we can better understand the ways in which to do pictograms. So let's turn our chairs, guys. Our PowerPoint presentation about pictograms or pictographs. A pictogram uses pictures to show data. Yes, no need to write numbers or figures. We can just use pictures to represent the data we want to show. The number of objects in a group is called data. And with most pictograms and other graphs too, there will be something called a key, which will tell you how much each part of the data represents. Like here, 1 smiley face equals 1 vote. So we know that for bananas, there are 6 votes. But how about for apples? How many votes for apples? How many for pears? And how many for grapes? Excellent. So you can see, by following the key, we can know how to represent the data and analyze it. 10 apples, 7 pears, 2 grapes, and 6 bananas. What are the amounts of data in this pictogram? How many motorbikes sold? Excellent. How many dolls?
4.
How many ducks?
3.
And how many cars?
4.
So for each picture, we know that means 1 toy sold. 6 motorbikes, because there's 6 pictures. 4 dolls, 3 ducks, and 4 cars. But a picture can represent more than one thing. Like you can see in this key, each smiley face, not 1 student. How many students? 4. So for this pictograph, we need to count in groups of 4. And what are the amounts of data in this pictogram? Each pizza slice is how many pizzas? 5. So, how many in total for cheese? 5 times 5? 25. Excellent. You see, we're counting up in stages or multiplications of 5. How many for mushroom? 20. Sausage? 25. And the most popular pepperoni has 30. You see, we're not counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then we have our totals at the end. 25 cheese, 20 mushroom, 25 sausage, and 30 pepperoni. Excellent, guys. Any questions? That was great. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and PowerPoint presentations so they can learn more and understand how pictograms function and how we can do our own. And we're going to practice doing our own pictograms soon. But first of all, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And I think for this sequence, we'll have a game. We'll have a game of teacher says. So listen carefully. If teacher says, we can do. But if not, don't do. So teacher says, touch your shoulders. Teacher says, touch your knees. Teacher says, hands on hips. Hands on head. Teacher says, arms in the air. Teacher says, arms down. Arms up. Teacher says, walking on the spot. Stop. Teacher says, stop. Teacher says, stand on one leg. Teacher says, swap your legs. Teacher says, swap again. And swap again. Put your leg down. Teacher says, put your leg down. Teacher says, turn around. Turn back the other way. And teacher says, into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump! Teacher says, jump! Excellent, guys. And teacher says, sit down. And teacher says, it's now time for our worksheet activity. And what's going to happen now is our students are going to design their own pictogram, which is called, ready guys? Our pictogram will be animals on my farm. So teachers, what you'll need to do is give each student one of these worksheets so that they can design the numbers of animals on their farm. But what our students also need is they need a sheet with their animals on it. And what our students need to do is they need to decide how many of the animals they want to have on their farm, cut out the pictures and stick them in the appropriate columns. And then at the end, give a total of how many animals. And the animals we have, guys, we have duck, rabbit, pig, cow, turkey, sheep, goat, horse, rooster. So cut out our animals and decide how many you want to have of each on your farm. And what our students can do too is they have a number of each of the animals, but if they want to swap with their friends, they can. So they can have more of one animal than the other. And give our students around 20 minutes for this activity because it involves cutting, sticking, and having to do a little writing too. So Chew, here's your animals. So the first thing to do, guys, is to cut our animals out and decide how many we want on our farm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bang one for you. Pro, here's yours.
Thank you.
And let go for you. Okay, so decide, guys, how many animals you want and you can begin cutting out. And what I'll do now, I'll give you your worksheet. So for example, your first animal, you could write rabbit, and then how many pictures for your rabbits, and then give the total at the end. Okay? But it's up to you. You can have however many animals you want. 2. There's your worksheet. And remember to put your names on top of the worksheet, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ned, for you. Down for you. Bang Bon for you.
Thank you.
Crow, here's yours.
Thank you.
And Lackow for you. So now, guys, hands up if we need scissors. 1, 2, 3. Pat, do you need scissors? Okay. So the first thing for our students to do is to cut out their animals, and then they can begin to decide how many of each animal they want on their farm. Similar to like we did with our pictogram about food. Here, we will have the names of our animals and then pictures to represent each of the animals they have. So for example, guys, if you want to have 3 rabbits, how many pictures do you need? 3. Exactly. 1 picture represents 1 animal. Yes. So what animal is this? Pig. Okay, so if you want to have pig, you can write pig here and then 1 picture. But you can have different numbers of animals and it's totally up to you. This is how you can show to do your own pictograph. And if you want to, guys, you can swap animals with your friends. If your friend likes pigs, but you don't want pigs, you want horses or turkey, you can swap the animals over. Excellent, Nadia. And you don't need to use all of the stickers either. It's totally up to you, however many animals you want. You can have 1 pig, 2 turkeys, 1 rabbit. Okay? So what we need to do, in this column here, Bang Pon, you write the name of the animal, and then however many animals you want. And if you need help with the spelling of the animals, guys, they're on the flashcard underneath the pictures. So, Pak Boom, how many horses will you have on your farm? 2. So how many pictures do you need for 2 horses? 2 pictures. Excellent. Nadia, how many pigs will you have on your farm? 1. So 1 pig, how many pictures? 1. Yes. 1 picture for 1 animal. Lackow, let's see. Lackow, how many rabbits will your farm have? How many rabbits do you think you'll have? 4. Okay, so how many pictures do you need? 4 pictures. Excellent, well done. Prow, I think Prow might like ducks. How many ducks will Prow have on her farm? How many ducks will you have?
4.
4. So how many pictures? 4. Let's see, Bang Pon. What will Bang Pon like? I think Bang Pon likes horse. Bang Pon, how many horses on your farm?
4.
4. Okay, so that's 4 pictures. Excellent. So you don't need, what you can do, pass yours. What you can do is you can cut to here and then stick your picture of your goat here. So write the name of your animal. You need to write here. So goat, and then how many goats will you have on your farm, Net? Yes. How many goats? 1, 2, or 3? 1. Okay, then 1 means 1 picture. For other animals, you can have more. Bless you. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to design their own farm by doing a pictograph to represent each of the animals on their farm. And as you can see here, a selection of my students have done a great job. Bang Pon, Down, and Lackow have done excellent, and so did everybody in the room. But that's all we've got time for today, so we hope you had a good time learning about pictographs, and we'll see you again soon. So can we all wave to say goodbye, guys?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you again next time.